Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I've made throughout the week. You can find, actually, I'm starting something new this week where I'm simplifying things for me. So I will no longer link each individual card or project in the description box, but you can find a link to my blog where things are always posted, and you could also look on my channel for previous things. Start with the cards. I had this card for the Not Too Shabby shop. I used the Build Your Stash Holiday Card Makers Sketch 28 for it. And there's the inside, Cozy Winter Vibes. And then I also had this one, uses that same stamp of the month from Not Too Shabby and the same sketch, and that one says Warm Wishes. Then I have this very sparkly, pretty card for Crafting Kimmy's last Saturday challenge, which was to use a stencil, glitter, and a sentiment. So I used the new Cool Crystals stencil along with the classic circles stencil, some Crafting Kimmy inks, some Stickles glitter gel, and then I used the Holiday Sentiments stamp set for the sentiment, which is It's the Season to Sparkle. And there's the inside. It is so sparkly and so pretty. And then we have the tags. These are not in order, just the way that they ended up being. Have that cute one with the little bear and the penguins. Dear Santa, please define naughty. A little monster. Second little monster. The watermelon. Summertime gal. The gift tag. Gift card tag for the coffee. Treat yourself and enjoy. The gingerbread. And the cactus. So there are all my creations for the week. Again, you can always take a look around my blog or my YouTube channel to find more information about these. As always, I appreciate you stopping by. And until my next video, go have a crafty day and have an awesome day. Thanks for stopping by.